Hello everyone and Salam Sejahtera. This is Haris and I'm going to tell you about my recent road trip to Penang with my friends from work. I texted my friend L if he had an extra space in his car for me to hitch a ride. Fortunately for me, he had one more and I took the opportunity. This was going to be epic. We started our journey at 7:30 in the morning from Subang. It was a Friday, so we had to leave early to avoid the rush hour. Along the way, Al introduced me to a song which was produced from a Neve console. I instantly fell in love with it.
Under the water.
In 100 meters, turn right.
We finally arrived at Penang just in time for lunch.
Turn right.
We were looking for this good laksa place at Jalan Penang.
The difference between this Assam laksa and the famous
I was at awe at his knowledge of local food. But honestly, I was too hungry at this point to understand the different types of laksa. And according to locals, one of the best laksa can be found at Jo Hui Cafe. I'm not very keen on laksa, but one taste of this, it was delicious. The broth is thick and rich, which I really like. This was also the first time I tried fried oysters and eggs. And lunch will not be complete without a bowl of the famous chendol, which is just outside the cafe. We were walking back to the car when we stumbled upon this interesting corner. This is definitely an Instagram photo opportunity and we had fun there. We could have explored other places, but it was time for us to check in at the hotel. Well, till next time.